Hello, we're about to get back at it again with another video here at the Traffic Stop channel. I can have some more free traffic for you today. And the site today is called adspowermailer.com. Once you join and then log in to adspowermailer.com, you're at the dashboard. And you're going to go to voucher. This set of sites here, we may use the term voucher instead of promo code. It's the same thing, just a different word. So voucher. Now this is one that I had used a while back. Thank you. Maybe it's still good. Thank you. So you can try that one. Thank you. Here in the voucher code field, and just click redeem now. So there's thank you, and then there's some more. Welcome. So we got welcome. Try thank you. Again, always remember with some promo codes they do expire, so as soon as you watch one of my videos, try to immediately join the site and redeem the promo code, because who knows when it's going to expire. Some of them do expire quickly, especially Viral Mailer for You, which I'm like, I already have a whole series on Viral Mailer for You, but that's the one where you need to redeem on a daily basis because it has some daily codes, and those will expire within about 24 to 48 hours, some of them. But these, like thank you or welcome, they should last forever probably, but who knows for sure. So you always want to redeem them right away. Now, this is one of their splash pages, and it's called a spin wheel. So this is where you can get a lot more promo codes, but what happens when you click it? That'll be the code right there. There's the code right there. So that one be 5,000 text. So there's another one, 5,000 text ad credits. Let's see if I've redeemed it already. I don't think I have. Ads Power Mailer -6. Yeah, so I got 5,000 text ad credits as well, just with that one. There's some others. There's one I'm not supposed to release here for some, because of the site's rules, so I'm not going to scroll down further, but make sure you join free promo codes for you, because it'll give it at least one more extra code if you join free promo codes for you as well. But this one you can get more here, because now once you do it, you have to wait for it to reset, and I don't know if it's 24 or 48 hours. It doesn't say, but it usually resets within about a day. So then you could come and do it again. The only thing that's annoying about this particular spin wheel feature is that it doesn't tell you whether or not you've already used that particular voucher, but you can still go to the voucher page, the voucher history, and it'll tell you over here. But it won't tell you on the page whether you've already redeemed one of these prizes. But you can still track it over here. So, Ads Power Mailer, does it get traffic? Yeah, it gets traffic. Go to Mailer and emails, and it'll show you. Scroll down and it'll show you all the different. So 11 hits, 6, 10, 8, 5. 10, 14, 10, 10. So varies, but yeah, I'm getting traffic with this site. Let's see how many credits I have left. Quite a lot of credits left. I have plenty of credits left. Just, when I have time, then I'll mail out, but I'm usually busy with my main sites, and then I will, where if you get my coaching, I'll show you the main sites that I use every day, so where I spend most of my time. It follows that kind of 80-20 approach. Spend, you 20% of the sites will give you like 80% of the traffic, that sort of thing. That's not an exact number, but for those that know the 80-20 principle, basically it says 20% of your time spent or other resources spent on something gives you 80% of the results. And it's the same with viral mailers, in particular viral mailers. The 80-20 principle does work. So that's why I won't be mailing out every day with a site like this, because it's not one of the top sites, but still, especially because you get these promo codes, you want to submit them and get your free traffic, so every once in a while you can come back and send out an ad. So that's how you do ads, power mailer. As far as it goes, when you want to mail out, then you can click email drafts and save one. Save an email here. We'll create email. I can't create one because I already have two saved up. But I could delete one because this was a February special, so I could delete this and add another one. Create email draft. Once you create your draft, which you just enter on this page, go back to email drafts. You could just click send email like I just did as well. You could click send email and go ahead and send it. You might need to read at least 5 emails. In that case, you just, same thing with mailers. You go to earning in this one. Earning and unread emails. These sites will let you right click so you can right click and open up. So do the 5 quickly. So that's how you do it. Let them count down. You'll do 5, then you can send out. Yeah, don't do it right now, but you go ahead and let that go down. So that's how you do it. So you got a lot of codes in this one, so have fun with the new traffic.